Glasses? No glasses? Well, glasses it is today. What if I told you that everything we have been taught about washing fussy hair is completely wrong? For years, the natural hair community has told us to stretch our wash days for weeks to avoid dryness. Well, I decided to test that theory. I wash my fussy hair every single 3 to 4 days for the past 90 days straight, and honestly, the results completely shocked me. If you are struggling with dry hair, crazy tangles, and itchy scalp, stay tuned because this simple routine switch is going to change your entire hair journey. Let's talk about my absolutely go-to hairstyle, my high bun. I absolutely love this look. It's sleek, it's elegant, and let's be real, I get so many compliments on it whenever I step out, but it had a dark side. Because my life is incredibly busy, I used to keep this bun in for 2 or 3 weeks, sometimes even 1 month. By the time I finally took it down to wash it, my hair was a complete nightmare. It would mat up, filled with severe knots, and also the shedding during detangling was honestly scary. I knew something had to be changed. Some of you might ask, why didn't you just wear a different style? Well, don't blame me. As many of you know, I actually run and sell my own hair care products line. When I am heading out to corporate meetings, attending networking events, or jumping on video calls for my business, my hair always needs to be 100% presentable. I am the walking billboard for my brand as secrets. I couldn't just walk into a meeting looking unpolished. I needed a solution that kept my hair looking professional without destroying my hair health. That is when I decided to flip the script and try washing my hair every 3 to 4 days. I committed to this new routine for 90 days now. Every 3 to 4 days, I took down my bun, hop in the shower, and thoroughly cleanse my hair. I focus completely on cleaning my scalp and also letting the water hydrate my curls because you guys know I have curly hair. No more hiding my hair away for weeks under layers of old products. I just kept it consistently clean. And let me tell you, the benefits started showing up almost immediately. So let's break that down, the major changes I noticed. First up, the tangles and shedding. Because I'm washing my hair every few days now, my hair never gets the chance to lock up, mat up, or also intertwine into those stubborn single strand knots. My tangles are so minimal now that I can barely even tell they are there because detangling is now a breeze. My breakage and shedding have drastically reduced. I am saving so much hair because I am, handling it frequently but gently rather than fighting and losing battle with, 3 weeks or a whole month. All those times the knots are just piling up, and because of my course, my hair is also just tangling on each other. The second massive change is moisture. This is the part that blew my mind. We are taught that frequent washing dries out fuzzy hair, right? For me, the exact opposite happened. My hair holds moisture better than it ever has in my entire life. Think about it. Water is the ultimate moisturizer. By introducing water to my hair every 3 to 4 days, I'm constantly keeping it hydrated. I completely stop the exhausting cycle of midweek re-moisturizing because that it was just putting layer of products over layer of product that can lead to a lot of buildup. Nowadays, I just wash, I style, and my hair stays perfectly soft. Lastly, which is actually is something which I take very seriously and is important because our hair grows from our scalp, is my scalp feels so incredibly healthy. No itchy, no heavy buildups, and also no flakes. As someone who sells hair care products, I know that a healthy scalp is the absolute foundation for hair growth. So cleaning my scalp every few days, it allows my scalp to breathe and actually scrub. So what is the final verdict? If you have 4C hair or even type 3 hair and you trap in the cycle of chronic dryness, severe tangles from scratching your styles, I highly challenge you to try this. Shorten your wash day cycle, let your hair experience water more often. Your curls or your curls will thank you later. Also, if you are struggling from like sensitive scalp, dry scalp, itchy scalp, burning, especially in the middle of your crown. I started to experience that when I would go weeks without washing my hair. If you're experiencing all of those things, the best advice I would give you is make sure you wash your hair frequently. Make sure you clean your scalp frequently. I'm telling you, this has been a great game changer in my hair routine when I started washing my hair every 3 to 4 days. My curls is happy, my scalp is happy, and apart from that, I'm just giving my hair the moisture that it needs for it to scrub. Look at my bone down. You guys see how thick it is? Let me know in the comment section below, how often do you currently wash your 4C hair? Will you ever try washing it every 4 days or twice a week or even every 5 days? Also, do not forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more natural hair secrets. Check out the description box so that you can browse my hair care products. I came out and launched a lot of great shampoos and also conditioner. We now have our keratin shampoo and conditioner. We also have our gloss shampoo and conditioner. We have our sensitive scalp shampoo and also our moisturizing shampoo. We have our go-to caffeine oil, S Secrets oil, our vitamin, our skin care. S Secret sells everything that you need for a healthy hair and a healthy scalp. So make sure you check us out. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.